and our hopes are shaken, we must still assert the power of love. We once knew, and taste infinite and timeless pleasures and delights all at once. If only we too
خلق الإنسان كل من عليها فان.
His children today. So we pray and we will continue to pray for him. But more importantly, the fact that he is alive will be concerned for others, saying, Ummati, Ummati, my people, my people. Hocaefendi lived according to the imbued Mevlana Rumi's invitation of, come, whoever you are. But he took it up a notch by saying, no, to transform people, to transform us who did not deserve to do anything, to move souls, to donate our time and money and all. His physical body is making that move to hereafter, that we have to connect to his content, and that content comes from the Quran and from the all facilitator of everything good, to help us actualize the deep vision Hocaefendi has left us with, a vision we have not